Hi there. So today I'm doing a ghost pour. The back of my canvas is taped. It's a canvas board. I'm applying the black base coat on my canvas board. My paints are mixed 4 parts paint to 1 part Floetrol, and then water to make it the right consistency. So I watched Julie Cutts from Pouring Your Heart Out do her ghost pour, and I just thought I would try it. So the paints I'm using today are light blue, cobalt blue, metallic, white metallic pearl, silver, some other white, and a dark blue, and a brilliant purple. So I'm laying the paint down across the canvas in a straight line. I'm trying to leave a space in between, and we'll see how it goes. Don't think I left enough space in the middle, but I'll worry about that later. So what I'm using is my small palette knife, and I'm just going to start from the middle and just swipe up with a fast, quick motion. And once I'm done this side, I'll do the other side. I don't really like how the middle looks. I kind of wanted more of a space in between them. So what I'm going to do is take my palette knife and I'm going to just take some of the paint away in the middle so that I have like a line going across. Hopefully that will look a little better. So yeah, I like that a little bit better. So now I'm going to just touch up a couple of spots where I think I need some more paint. And I'm adding just a few drops of paint in a couple of spots. And then I'm going to swipe again. So I think I'm done now, and I'm just going to get my torch and just see if I can pop any air bubbles that might be in the paint. I'll bring you in for a close-up. Hello, I'm back with the dried results. It dried really nice. Bring you in for a close-up. I like how the pearl white looks. It's cool. Okay, thank you for watching my videos and have a great day. Bye for now.